Oh, we just left Innsbruck maybe about 20 minutes ago, and there are military police on the train here. They were asking me for my passport, and they asked me for a visa, which I thought was a little unusual. I told them I'm just here for travel, I'm not here for work. And they asked me when I arrived, and some questions like that. And they looked over my passport and stuff, but everything turned out okay. Um, Valid Canadian passport. But I believe the military police on this train are they're Italian. I don't think they were Austrian. And I told them I'm on my way to Florence, but overall I was kind of concerned. I thought, what the hell? Why do I need a visa? But everything went okay. Just a little surprising, but in a way, I'm actually happy that this happened because things like this prevent all the movement of illegal workers, illegal migrants, and things like that, and it helps keep the countries in the EU stable. But yeah, quite a surprise. I'm always having these adventures on these trains.